clients and you will be a same page. Oh, this looks cool though. Everyone, look, it's really interesting. A lot of veins and black veins. But if you want more black, you put more. More red. You put more red on that. There is so many difference. Like, is there a difference like the effect? So you can do more red lace or more foil. Doesn't matter. Right, here you go. So like for instance, in this nails, I have encapsulating ombre. Remember, you do ombre is only one technique, right? So like for instance, our salon start from extension nails, short length like me. This length is gonna be $60. It looks short when you see, but in person it's longer. So it's extension with that, and it's the shape come with the length. Every salon different. Some salon will charge with the shape and the length. Our salon will charge the shape, come with the length. So doesn't matter if you want to go shorter, it's possible. It's gonna be a length and a shape charged together. So if we're doing this nails, right? So you have your ombre nails already. And then you have your encapsulating. So you have two techniques here. So if at our salon, for instance, if it's a long nails like this, right? It start even long nail like this. It's gonna be start from $85 per set, plus your $15 for the ombre solid color, which is that you do ombre solid, it's not glitter, and another $20 for the lace of the encapsulating. So you have encapsulating and you have ombre. So do not mix up these two, because sometimes the client's thinking just ombre. It's not. Yes, it's ombre and it's encapsulating as well. So, but the clients are, oh, I just like the ombre. So then, like, or you consult with them. Like, for instance, the set it's $150. So, oh, but then you can consult with them. Do you have a price range for us to work with, or what designs on what in the nails that you can't leave without? Like say, oh, Nancy, I love the ombre. I can't I can just like leave with the ombre and wait for my encapsulating next time. Say, cool, great. So, or say, oh, I like encapsulating, but I can do encapsulating whole entire nails, but not the ombre, right? So then they're gonna pick one or two, or they can pick both. Or they can do all solid colors and two ring fingers. They're gonna do this techniques and bling it completely out. So it really depends on what they would like. If they want a whole set, it takes you a lot of time for doing all whole set with encapsulating and ombre. So just that's the information I would like to share. Here is no wipe top coat on the top of the condensed glue gel. And also it depends on the salon location. I just sharing with the techniques. You're doing more than just one techniques over here. You know what? This is gonna be really cool. I did it because this one you see the white a little bit underneath, because that's the white nails. If I'm doing the clear nails, imagine it's gonna see through. It's really stunning. Just for your information. All right, so we have enough red. So a little bit not enough, but we have some red here. Let's do.
Yeah. So Cece, we do try to get as much DM and email as we can, but it does get missing sometimes because like it just gets really overloading lately, and which is to pandemic, we're super short staffed. So I am sorry that we've been seeing your email, but yes, just give it a try. Like sometimes just bump your email up, like just reply to that, say like, hey, I'm just bumping. That's just if you can answer me.
Yeah, just keep email us back. Do not feel like we're ignored just because we have so many is email from like customer service, or if anything, we'll try to do the best. So CC, please stay tuned, or keep emailing it. You can just send us another emails. We absolutely, then the team will definitely gonna really like getting through each emails. Every single email would answer pretty much all the email. It's just going by is order of receipt. So all right, oh my god, it's so cute. I want some white too. Don't feel bad when you not email us. Just keep sending us emails if you can. That either is like one of the team there with more than just me or anyone else will be like on the team will definitely gonna assist you ladies. Me, it just get handled part of the tutorial. So if I miss anything question during the tutorial, you please let us know. Can you see that I start blinging this one out?
Now it looks like Mickey.
It's not Mickey. I love Mickey, but
Oh no, you know what? Now it looks like a turtle.
It's not.
So you have like the red crystals like the back.
Oh yeah, it looks like
turtle. Like the head, and like you have the 4 little feet.
Okay, it's good to imagine it.
Yep, and just pulling a big crystal along with it. And the crystal got 2 baby.
Keep trying. Okay, now he's using his own imagination. We should have Heels come in here do live video for us. Maybe what do you want to do, babe? You want to do transfer foil?
I wouldn't
That's your
mind that.
specialty?
Nah, would it sound fun? Oh, I think your wire dropping.
No, it's not. I move it.
Okay.
Aha, I got you this time. Can I get some frame, please? So that's some idea for...
Oh, you know what? So now it's like the 2 total playing. What's like pulling? They see which one's stronger to try to pull the crystal to their side.
Yep.
Right? And now when you add that frame, it's like they try wiggling their feet.
He keep trying to imagine its own things.
Yeah, it's like description. Give your stone a story.
Okay. Good
So
try.
yep, so with this, it's no longer the turtle and the hair. It's like big turtle, play with a little turtle.
Why is it turtle?
Just look like a turtle.
Can I get some of my frames on the others, if you don't mind? Thank you, babe.
Which way? Big one, short
The
one?
straight one. The short straight one and my other, no, it's my other tray. We try to keep us entertained, like buying.
So. Grab another tray. Some in there.
And it's right there.
Some will go straight here. Some on here if you need it.
Thank you. Alright, so I'm looking for some of my really smaller frame, and you basically get everything in the frame collections like it have.
Yes, Alex, it's really nice. So when you have condensed and you have top coat on, it won't dry until you actually cure them. So you have all the time in the world to play with your design, play with your crystal. Make sure you fix them right, and it will only be permanent when you cure.
to get the smaller frame right there. I think it'd be better to do this frame smaller. I'm gonna take this away down here. And this one. And like one straight and one curve and see how it turned out. I think I did one like that, like similar to the frame. I didn't get matching 100%. I get one straight bar and the other ones is just curve. So you'd be surprised because usually I'm so really OCD, but I don't know why when I do this together it looks so fun to look.
It is fun. Well,
Like
now
one curves and then one's.
Now it looks like a king scepter.
It is.
Yeah, it's like the big rod that the king used to wear with all the diamond and gem on it. That could be a part of the crown too. It could be the top part of the crown that's sticking up.
Don't know. He's getting a lot of cool ideas.
You never know. Nancy design may end up in a medieval movie sometime. If you actually cast it like her designer movie, let us know.
Just so much fun to play with a lot of different. I do this like when you lady have some time you playing with the products and then keep that like you can show your clients because a lot of my clients will see watching my live tutorial and they I want this design, I want that on my nails. They want some of my designs that I would do. They walk in with the one ideas and they walk out with like totally didn't plan. And it looks so cool. And even though you see the gap between, but it's still nice if you can place some in here, which is you can put your blue on it, or you can leave it alone. I think it looks cute as well. Sorry, I'm like you have. Now it feels like it complete. Hi, Live Rats. How are you, love? Okay. You feel like it? You want to key this one for?
Oh, you should get it. That looks really pretty.
You like it?
There you cover most of the vein now.
No, it's not. The veins is still there. Ha 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 ha.
Some of it. Let's care.
Okay. Now it's fun because you can't, you know, I'm gonna do one, just couple more because I feel like it's missing something here. Do you think so? Just to finish buying 3 beads right there to make it look so finished.
You have to leave the crown too.
And you can add more beads on it. I think I can like do more, but then I'll start cover everything.
Oh, shall we?